Hi, I'm Eric. I'm a music teacher with a music degree, and also I'm a part-time developer in Sigma School. So I choose tech because I think there are a lot of things to learn in tech, and also I found problem solving is fascinating. So when I solve something, I feel proud of it. I started dive into tech because since after everyone was experiencing COVID-19, I feel that I want to have a career which we can have a flexibility to work anywhere, like working from home. This happened when I was doing an assignment for my music degree, and since during that time it was COVID-19 lockdown, everything was carried online. My group has an idea on creating a website for us to showcase our performance. I was assigned to be a web designer to create that website. So I explored how to create the website, and I found WordPress at first. When I was using it, I saw some terms like HTML, CSS, or PHP. So I felt very curious about them. When I start learning programming, the biggest challenges is to understand every topic of web development from zero knowledge. For example, when I start learning HTML, I almost take 2 to 3 months to learn the syntax because I was confused on how to use it and when to use it since there are so many syntax. So and then when I moved to CSS, that was a bit easier for me to learn because I can see what changes I make on the browser, and I spent almost 1 month to learn it. But again, when I move on to JavaScript, is another new level of difficulties. I think the most important thing is to able to explain your code during the interview process, and so this will show the interviewer that you know about what you're building or what you have learned.